the clothes, the
Papa!
With the advance ng technology, so there's a lot of advanced application tools that you can use. So, depende na yun sa artist kung saan siya comfortable. So, yung after mong mas-sketch, so we will mag-apply kami ng mga colors. For example, yan. That one naman is tracing naman. Before kanina nag-sketching tayo, dyan kasi meron kaming picture, iti-trace naman namin. So medyo mas mabilis dyan. After that, we're putting colors. We're getting the original colors from the original picture. Para at least...
Papa, si Papa.
Ayan, nagkakakulay ka na.
Yeah, ayan, kinukulayan na namin. And then that is smudging naman.
やる人が多いよ。まだいっぱいいるけど、うち違うじゃん。
Parang sa makeup, ilalagay mo muna yung color. After that, i-blend mo. Sa computer
取れないよ、
naman,
大丈夫。できないようにしてるから。
smudging.
How much work goes into one artwork? Like, how long will it take you? Days, weeks, hours?
Actually, it takes maximum of 2 weeks. So,
Maximum of
ayan.
2 weeks.
Yun yung pinakamatagal, printing and framing. Makukuha mo na yung product. Even you're in abroad, pwede ka dito. Maximum of 2 weeks yung...
Even yung alin?
Abroad.
Yeah, abroad.
Even if you're abroad, okay. And then, what's the price range?
Price range namin,
そうだよ。
i-charge namin ng peso. So, yung pinaka-smallest namin, it costs around 4,500.
Which is that size?
Yeah, yung may tatlong bata doon. Tsaka yung, that's the 12 by 18. And then, complete na yun. And it's not per head costing.
Well, apparently he has a surprise for us and it will be displayed in the new office of the Sweet
So,
Life.
i-open na natin yung surprise namin sa inyo, Miss Lucy and Miss Wilma. Sweet Life
Okay na lang yan!
Yung present namin sa inyo from My Digital Painting Services
Oh, ganda
by
naman.
GP Metal.
That's nice. That's so cute. Thank you very much.
Ay, kaya lang sandali. Bakit ako walang piligmata, si Lucy meron?
Pwede
Para
sila-
magkaroon ng difference, pakita namin yung walang
Magkaroon
palit
ng
mata,
difference.
pwedeng lagyan.
Thank you very much for being on the show.
You're welcome,
Can you give them
ma'am.
your contact number, please?
For those who would like to order ng digital painting, personalized digital painting printed in canvas, you can order or you can visit our website at www.mydigitalpainting.com or you can call us at 02-994-5631.
Thank you very much for being on the show, JP. Up next, Wilma Lynn will show us a kitchen remedy to soothe sunburn. Ano kaya ang gagawin niya? Naku, maabilidad ba naman to? Find out after the break.